The 3 most Googled hair loss related questions answered based on our research a week ago. Number 3, hair shedding. How many hair is normal to lose every day? The answer is normal people can lose up to 200 hair per day. That number could go up and down based on your hormone levels or stress that you have in life. But if you are losing up to 200 hair per day, it's not abnormal and it's not necessarily a reason for hair loss. Question number 2, is hair loss reversible? The answer is yes. In many types of hair loss, we can slow it down or even improve it a little bit just with medication. And people who go under hair transplant procedure, they can reverse the appearance of full head of hair. 1, can stress cause hair loss? The answer is yes. It can cause hair loss by itself, as we see in telogen effluvium, or if you have male or female pattern hair loss, it can accelerate your hair loss.